Welcome back to Music Theory in the Car. This is the chords section, and we'll be using the numbering system to help us spell chords. So let's take a look at that. A 2-octave major scale, and number it 1 through 15. We normally won't use 15s, 14s, 12s, or 10s, and an 8 is referred to as an octave. The 1 is the key or the root of any scale or chord in which we are studying. So we have 1 through 7, 9, 11, and 13 in the system, and they represent major scale degrees. If we wanted to alter a major scale degree, we would do like a flat 3 is an E flat, or a sharp 4 is an F sharp. So you can see it's going to be very important to be fluent in your major scales. And if you need help with that, in the information section below this video, there's a link to the Major Scale Project. It's a proven system for developing fluency in your mind and on your horn in major scales.